Now we finna bleach some shirts. Alright, cut to the intro. Back in elementary. Alright, today I got these two shirts from Walmart and I'm gonna be bleaching them. This is one shirt right here, Purple Rain, and this one, WrestleMania. Got them both from Walmart for like $8. I'm thinking I want to bleach both of them, but I think I'm gonna do a tie-dye look on one. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do the tie-dye look on this one, maybe this one, and I think I might just like freestyle on this one. So yeah, got my bleach, and I got a spray bottle. Is this bleach? Oh, it is. It's not even, you can't smell nothing. Yeah, this bleach doesn't smell like nothing. Put the bleach in here. And now I'm trying to think of what I want to do. So on this one I was thinking like a little, like I want to freestyle on this one, like, so maybe, but I hope this bleach works. But maybe I just start off like with the whole arm right here. I feel like I need gloves. Yeah, you're not really balling like me. You ain't having Supreme gloves. I'm really different. Hype beast moment. Okay, now let me get back. I wouldn't wear anything. I wouldn't wear anything that you feel like you're gonna mess up. So I wanted to hit this whole sleeve with it. This is the freestyle one, like I said. Oh, it's already changing. If you can't tell, this is my first time bleaching a shirt. Okay, so that's done, right? So like I said, I wanted to just freestyle on this one, so wait, maybe I should turn this so I can see it. Dang, that's cool, you can already see it. Y'all see it? Yeah. Like I said, I wanted to freestyle, so now I'm thinking, since this arm is already, yeah, I want to like kind of, you know, give it that little design over here. Kind of like a little, you know, nothing crazy. I just want to do that. And then on this side, I was thinking like a big spot right there, right? And then like big spot, like so big that it'll drip down, you know? Oh, we did it perfect. The spray bottle really makes it fiery though. So like I said, I wanted a big spot right here. And I wanted to kind of like, I actually really like this. So I'm gonna do the spray bottle down here too, right? I might have sprayed a little too much right there. Anyways, okay. So did that bottom corner. So now I'm debating on if I want to mess with the design or leave it alone. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it alone, but yeah, you don't want to go. I don't want to go too crazy. So I'm just gonna do like some like far away, like a couple little. I feel like I'm finesse. Like I feel like I'm really doing something right now. I don't want to go crazy with it though, like, you know? Like, I'm thinking like this is good. Like, I didn't really want to go too crazy. This is, I don't know. Hey, update, my gloves are actually soaking wet. I don't think that these were supposed to get wet. And I think I kind of stained them too. Messed up my Supreme gloves. Love that. I love that for me. I love it. So look, this is what we're working with right now. You like? Hold on, let me get closer. Yeah, see what I did? I went for like the Bleach. What? It's like, yeah. And then I did this whole arm. That was the vibe. And you see the little specks, right? I got the whole bottom right here. It kind of looks bad now, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't look that good because of the fact that I haven't washed it yet. But this whole side, like, that was a good idea, right? And then, I don't know what that is. I'm thinking maybe a light bulb, maybe a question mark. I don't know. This one's gonna look good though. It looks good. It doesn't look bad. It's just the question mark. Or the whatever you want to call it. That's the only problem right now. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyways, okay, hold on. Okay, this one I'm just gonna tie-dye. I'm gonna do it like a tie-dye shirt, right? So let's make it flat, right? I'll go flat first, right? Okay. So you know, get your hand and you grab the middle, right? And then you just start twisting.
Basically, you're gonna twist the shirt all the way up. Like so, right?
So I'm kinda, and I forgot to go get rubber bands from the store, but I got these. I'm about to try to use these. So boom, shirt like that, Now what do y'all think we're gonna do? That was my thumbnail. Sorry, so now we're just gonna spray it a lot.
I'ma spray it a lot. I'ma spray it a lot. I'ma spray it a lot. With the bleach I got. Hey, I'ma spray it a lot.
Actually gonna flip it like so, and I'm gonna spray it on up. This is the other one. Y'all can't tell me that that's bad. You can't tell me that this is bad at all. This is fire. I just gotta do sprays on the back. All right, y'all, so I got this, right? I got a hanger so I could hang this up. I'm gonna spray the back. Here's it up close. You see how this, like those little sprays, that's fire. And then boom, come on. That's good. I kind of went overboard though. Not gonna lie. On this side. But that's fire. I'm about to spray the back. You see the back is playing. I'm about to spray the back. That's gonna be fire. That's gonna be fire. Where do I come up with this stuff, bruh? I feel like I'm supposed to let this dry. I don't know what to do right now. All right, so I'll be back in about 15, 20 minutes. Okay, hold on. Yeah, see? Okay. As you can see, it's not too crazy. Same pattern on the back. You can see it more actually. I'm about to throw both of these in the washer real quick and then show you the final results. I know y'all seen in the title of this video, it said that it's gonna be a giveaway. So I've been wanting to do a giveaway for y'all, but I'm broke. So I came up with something since I just figured out I had this amazing talent. I'm going to be giving away my services. So with that being said, all you have to do is screenshot this video and share it to your story, either your Snapchat story or your Instagram story. tag me and make sure you subscribe, and like when you tag me, I will put your name on a list, and in my next video, I will pick somebody from that list. I will customize your shirt like either way you want it, however you want it. Woo, 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 woo. So all you gotta do, like I said, add the video to your story. Make sure you subscribe. Take your name, put it in a list, and probably at the end of the week, and within 7 days, I'll probably pick somebody else. Like do a random select, pick one person. Maybe I might do two. Pick one or two people to do a custom shirt for. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. Y'all ready for the first one? I see the drip. Yeah, y'all see it. Shirt number one. And I put my own little sauce on. Real quick. Y'all see, it's the front of the shirt. It's the back of the shirt. Yes, sir. Y'all like it? Let me know down in the comments y'all like this one. Shirt number one. Fit number one. I just threw on the whole fit to show you, you feel me? Alright, y'all, ready for the second one? Y'all see that arm? The drip. You see it. Front of the shirt. Y'all gotta really get on that detail. Y'all see the details? Really get on that. Really get in on that. What y'all think? What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. I think this is a hit. I think this is a hit, y'all. Show y'all the back. Think this is a hit. Y'all, don't mind this do-rag. I probably wouldn't be wearing this. I probably wouldn't be wearing this if it wasn't for the fact that I don't have a haircut. But yeah, y'all, look. How y'all think? How y'all liking it? How y'all liking it? How y'all liking it? Boom. Boom. How y'all liking it? Get up close on it. How y'all liking it? I'm messing with it. I'm messing with it for real. When I put it together in this little fit right here, nothing too crazy. Slight all black. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this in the comments. That's gonna be the end of this video, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next banger. Yeah, it is.